The MRCOOL DIY multi-zone now comes in 2 zones. It's part of the 4th generation of MRCOOL DIY products, featuring higher SEER ratings, an industry-leading warranty, and several quality of life improvements. But what the 2-zone offers most of all is a system fit perfectly for your space, with no unused BTUs, because this system is designed, built, and priced just for your 2-zone needs. Featuring upgraded DIY Pro cables, redesigned to increase protection against weather, animals, and weekend warriors alike. And with MRCOOL's patented pre-charge line sets, it remains America's only true do-it-yourself install. Plus, our 4th gen products come with the best warranty in the industry. Lifetime compressor, 7-year unit replacement, and 5-year parts warranty. So you can rest easy and comfy with a MRCOOL DIY product for years to come.